Today's challenge is to guess the football player from emojis. You have 8 seconds to answer each question. Think you can guess them all? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome to Prime Quiz and let's get started. Can you figure out who this football legend is from these emojis? That's right! It's Cristiano Ronaldo. The Portuguese goat has arrived. Can you guess which club Cristiano Ronaldo currently plays for? Take a close look at the options. And the correct answer is Al Nassr. Think you know this magical football genius? Take a close look. Absolutely correct. Lionel Messi, pure football magic. Do you know which club Lionel Messi is playing for right now? Choose carefully. That's right, Inter Miami. It's time to settle the biggest football debate ever. Who are you choosing? Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo? Like for Messi, subscribe for Ronaldo and don't disappear without making your choice. I want to see your answer. Who could this lightning fast superstar be? Can you guess it? You got it! Kylian Mbappe! Speed, skill and superstar energy. Can you figure out which club this lightning fast superstar currently represents? Absolutely correct! Real Madrid. Can you recognize this powerful goal scoring machine? Correct! Erling Haaland, the Viking striker strikes again. Think you know where this goal scoring machine plays? Make your choice. You got it! Manchester City. Only true football fans can answer this one. Who would you rather have on your team? Kylian Mbappe or Erling Haaland? Like for Mbappe, subscribe for Haaland and tell me who wins in your opinion. Who is this Brazilian football magician? Any ideas? Yes, it's Neymar Jr. Skill, style and samba magic. Can you guess this young superstar before time runs out? Amazing! Lamine Yamal, the young Spanish sensation. Can you guess which club the young sensation Lamine Yamal plays for? Don't get fooled by the options. Correct! FC Barcelona. Who won the FIFA World Cup 2022? Was it A. France, B. Argentina or C. Brazil? Lock in your answer before it's too late. The correct answer is Argentina. Who is this electrifying Brazilian winger? Do you know? That's right, Vinicius Jr. What a superstar! Can you recognize this midfield superstar from the clues? Kirk! Excellent! Jude Bellingham! What a player! Who is this Egyptian football king? Take your best guess. Correct! Mohamed Salah, the Egyptian king himself.
This choice isn't easy at all. Lamine Yamal or Jude Bellingham? Like for Lamine Yamal, subscribe for Jude Bellingham. Make your pick before the next challenge starts. Let's see who your favorite really is.
Can you guess this deadly English striker? You nailed it! Harry Kane, a true goal-scoring machine.
Here's a tricky one. Think carefully before the answer appears. The correct answer is the Netherlands.
Who could this sharp-shooting football star be? Exactly! Robert Lewandowski, a clinical finisher.
Which country is Lionel Messi from? Is it A. Portugal, B. Brazil or C. Argentina? Don't change your mind now. The correct answer is Argentina.
Kirk, can you identify this football mastermind from the emojis? Brilliant! Kevin De Bruyne, the king of perfect passes. Who is this exciting English superstar? Can you guess it? That's correct. Bukayo Saka. What a fantastic player. Can you recognize this young Spanish midfield magician? Perfect! It's Pedri. Pure class and football intelligence. Kirk,
Today your football luck is about to be tested. Open the mystery Panini packs and discover the biggest football stars. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Prime Quiz for more exciting challenges. Now choose wisely, pick 1, 2 or 3 and let's see what you get.